Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the restaurant interior over here. So let's continue it. So what I'll be doing over here, let's start the stuff over here. Okay, this is a window. So what I'll be doing over here is like, again I will take this and make a copy of it if needed, or else I'll take a plane over here. Let's go into this and take a plane. So I'll go into this and I'll add some segments, convert to poly, and let's add this up. Again I'll just add this. So this is not going to be visible. So I'll just place it right over here. So this is going to be your glass section. I'll just place it in this way. Now what I'll do over here is like, I'll again select this. I'll just shift and drag it. So I'll just make it till here, over here. Again I'll take a line and I'll go over here in this way and I'll drag this till here. Alright. Now again I'll go into this. Let's go into rendering, enable in viewport, and let's reduce the thickness now. So once it is done, so this is going to be your glass part. So I'll just select this and I'll mirror it, copy it. So I'll push it in this way. Again, if you want, I can make one more copy of it. So I can just join it in this way. Again I'll go over here. Again I'll take a line. Now I'll just shuffle this. Alright. Again I'll increase this height over here. So once it is done, that's totally fine. Again I'll shift this up over here. So this is going to be your glass section. And now again I will take a box. So let's take a box over here. So I'll just drag it in this way, scale it, convert to editable poly. I'll take a swift loop over here. Okay, so now what I'll do over here is like select this, I'll slightly extrude it, I'll just end isolate this and I'll drag it till here. So again I'll go over here and I'll make sure that it is leveled till here. Okay, now looks better. Okay, so this is like this. Now what I'll be doing over here is like I'll again select this. So before we do that, let's model this slide element over here. That's the kind of door part or something. Okay, I can just zoom this. Okay, that are the double doors and with the hinge kind of. So we'll model this two doors separately. So I'll go over here and this is a kind of a more of a vintage interior, or you can say a very old interior. So convert to poly. I'll again go into this and I'll drag this a bit down. Now I can again shuffle this over here and let's select this and push this out over here. So this is not going to be visible much, but still what I'll be doing over here is like I can just select this and I can give a bit of slight chamfer to it. Okay, I can give some chamfer stuff. Again I'll copy this. Let's copy it out over here in this way. And if you think that the door is a bit thicker, I can just slightly make it a bit thin over here. Slightly. That would be much better. So slightly. I'll just push it in this way. Again select the edges. Let's select the edges. So before we go with that, I can just add some swift loops right over here. So I'll just shuffle it a bit inside. Again I'll take a swift loop. Again I'll drag it in this way. So how much it is, we can just check this. Now once it is done, again I'll select the polygons. Let's select the polygons over here at the bottom. We can just, okay, that would be because. So now what I'll do over here is like I'll again select this as well and let's give bevel. So slightly add a bevel over here, drag it inside. Oh, okay. shuffle it out. Okay, that looks better, and let's click OK. So I'll just save the file once. I haven't saved it yet. Okay, this looks good. Now you see some kind of hinges over here. So we'll model this hinges over here. So what I can do over here is like, I'll activate this, and again I'll go into this. I'll set it as 90 degree, drag it out, and again increase its height, convert to poly. So again I'll select this polygons, and let's say inset by polygons. Okay, if you do this inset by polygons, this is going to be, so I'll again go into this individual section. That would be much better. So I'll just make it inset if needed. Again let's give inset, give inset for all. So again select this, and let's slide extrusion by local normal. Now what I can do over here is like, now I'll slightly I'll reduce it. Okay, this much is better. So I can slightly rotate it. Again isolate this. Let's not make it very high poly. Okay, so I'll extrude it in its own direction. Oh, okay. Better I'll just make a box over here. That would be better option. Just fit it over here in this way. So I'll just end isolate this. Okay. So let's just shuffle it in this way. Oh yeah, looks better. So let's make okay. So once you're done, I'll just select this again, and again I'll mirror this. What I'll be doing over here is like, let's mirror it in y-axis. Oh yeah, looks better now. Okay, that looks perfect now. Okay, it's going to be till here. Again I'll select this, and let's shuffle this whole element over here. Okay, might be some changes. Okay, looks better. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. As you can see now, so I'll just save the file once again. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.